What would happen if you took a Beneteau fly-in iron sun deck and added every conceivable factory option? Well, this is what you'd have. This is the Beneteau Pilot Edition fly-in iron. Every conceivable upgrade and extra has been built straight from the factory. So if you want a turnkey, fully loaded version of the fly-in iron, which has been a great model for Beneteau, then you've got it right here. Let's do the full walkthrough and I'll point out some of the upgrades and the options that have been built into this model. The obvious one is you can see all of the stainless has been blacked out all around the grab rails, all around the T-top. It makes a particularly striking looking boat. And there's also this greyed out hull. I'll just bend down to show you that there. You can see the colour contrast there with the white and the dark grey. Makes for a very, very good looking boat even at the marina. A couple of the other additions that they've made here, you can see we've got the high-low entertaining table right in front of us. And there's another feature which is now standard on this boat, which is this drop-down third seat here. So you can very easily convert this into U-shaped dining, as well as, because this table's telescopic, you can also convert this into a proper sun lounge with this backrest flipping over. So you've now got a full sun pad in this cockpit area, which is fantastic. A few other things to point out. Refrigeration, we've got this pull-out swing open door refrigeration there. And then standard on the Pilot Edition is this little compact summer kitchen. Now this is perfect. This is not a boat you're going away for days and days at a time, but if you want to come away and overnight, that is perfect to make a little bit of lunch or grill some bacon and eggs in the morning. That is spot on. Also, when we come up into the helm position, this great looking sports steering wheel is standard on the Pilot Edition. That looks terrific. You can see we've got the engine control there for the two outboards. There's also a thruster, and then we've got the upgraded, slightly larger Garmin screen there. But you can see the view out, terrific, as well as all of that blacked out chrome. Good looking thing, isn't it? Really good looking. We are going to skip down onto the lower deck and check out what you've got there. You can also see the fold-down side decks that are standard with the fly-in iron, all of that extra real estate. There's poles and lines that go in there to secure your guests, but that is, of course, terrific for an entertaining day boat weekender. And then we've also got an upgraded sound system on the Pilot Edition, colour-coded. That's good looking, isn't it? And then if we come forward, there's also the standard edition of this ratcheting sun pad. This is a great spot, isn't it? Coming up here, great view out over the bow. As you know, this is probably where I'd be spending a fair bit of my time, would be up here. You can also fit, and the boat comes standard with bimini as well. So there's poles that go in here. So you can come up here either in the full sun, or you can shade this area as well. And that's great design and standard with the boat. Now, as is, you might have noticed there on the roof, we've also got those roof racks. And we've got, the people from Beneteau have got a Beneteau kayak there, but that just does show you, you could have a lot of fun. Get your kayaks up there, paddle boards, all of that kind of fun stuff, and really set yourself up for a fun day. Slightly narrower side deck down the starboard side, but down the port side, it's very, very comfortable where we've just come from. And we'll scoot back down here and we'll go down and check out what you've got in the lower deck. And it's actually quite good for 27 feet. As I said earlier, the boat's designed as a day boat, occasional weekender, this is what you've got. You've got this area here with a table, so you can obviously use this to dine or relax out of the sun. And then very obviously that table will come out. You put an infill in there, and that then becomes a nice double V berth, which is excellent. And then just behind me as well, there's a couple of other things you might not have expected. A little kitchenette area, microwave, a little sink, and there's also under here areas to tuck various things away like that, and there's all the power and switching, etc. So that's excellent. So that gives you a bit of convenience as well. And then there's also an additional double berth underneath the deck. So big enough for 2 people. It's a sort of place where you can either throw your luggage for the day, bags, etc., towels, or maybe if you've got younger guests, that's a good spot down there. You pop your head up this side, and for it to overnight here, then that would be, I reckon, absolutely spot on. And everybody has a proper head as well, which is in here. So pretty well proportioned. You can see it's a wet room kind of setup where you've got the toilet there. That's also the shower stall, but there's a clear door that comes across to sort of seal that off so the whole area wouldn't get wet. So it's kind of like a semi-wet room, and I reckon that that sets up really well. What do you think of that? So, as always with Beneteau, you get a lot of boat for the money anyway, but with this new Pilot Edition, the factory's put every factory option on here so you don't have to do it, and what you end up with is a really good package. Good looking boat, good performance from those 2 Mercuries. Well, I reckon they've done a great job with this one, but you tell me what you reckon. Well, there you go. That's the Beneteau Pilot Edition of the very popular Flyer 9, courtesy of Chapman Marine Group, who are hosting me today. Tell me what you think. A lot of boat for the money as usual with Beneteau, and you can see the evolution of their quality as well. But like and share this one, leave me a comment. But I look forward to seeing you next week on another one. Bye for now.